Good morning. Can you guess what time it is this morning? It is 7 o'clock in the morning and I've been up for 2 hours now editing videos, and it has been raining pretty much the entire time. I love this. You don't know how much I love this. I love Florida. However, it's been increasingly difficult for me to find time to go out and mow the yard. And the yard does need mowed. No one is up yet. The house is dark. As dark as a vlogger house could be. Kitty is here. Oh, yesterday I got baskets, canvas baskets from the Pottery Barn. Each one of these baskets were $1.98, and the canvas is in the washer right now because it had Velcro on it, so I could take them off. $1.98 a piece, and I looked them up, and they're $28 to $55 each. So I got a good deal on that. And I also got a West Elm candle box thing for $1.98, and I'm sure that was way more expensive than that because it's from West Elm. So I'm going to finish editing now. I just wanted to inspire you and motivate you with all this rain. It's very inspiring, isn't it? This is like my favorite weather ever, so if you hate rain, this is probably gloomy for you, but I love this. It's very cuddly weather, very comfortable, and it makes Florida a lot cooler.
What am I gonna do?
Gonna paint the wall.
Gonna paint the wall. So, Hadar took this down. It looks so much better already.
Mommy, sit.
And we got this chair at Goodwill yesterday for $4.98, and it goes perfectly with his desk.
Daddy.
Does
Can I
it?
play a game?
$4.98.
What kind of game?
Doggy game?
I don't have a doggy game.
I'm a doggy. Oh, a cat game. A cat game. A cat game. I'm gonna dress up the cat. This stickers. A few needles too.
Yeah, you want to see the needles? Yeah, I had the curtains pinned together to shut them because they're way too long. I'm going to cut them because I'm not using them anywhere else. And yes, that kills me, but these are 10-foot long curtains, and this is like an 8-foot long sidewall. So we got some blackout curtains.
Wow, found a neon door.
Yeah.
For the cinema.
So that looks good. Yeah, for the cinema.
That's Ellie Nana and Pinano.
Yeah. She just said today that she really loves Ellie Nana, her cousin in Israel. She just really loves her.
And she likes playing with a Pinano.
Yeah. So there's the blackout curtains. This is just so we can't see a reflection in the TV. See how bad that is? You literally cannot see the TV during the day. Yeah. But we love the windows, you know, so it's a trade-off, a big trade-off.
Am I doing the other side?
And there's a ceiling fan in his face. Yeah, so he's going to put 3 more or 4 more over here. 1 decorative panel and then 3 plain. We got these at IKEA in Israel, and they don't sell them anymore. You're not falling?
Yeah.
You sure?
Sure.
But I love these curtains. They remind me of like a hotel, a really nice hotel.
Probably we were in Homewood Suites.
Yeah.
Right there.
I loved
Remember
Homewood
those?
Suites when we were there.
The blackout curtains there.
Hi, Rafael.
That all the windows were shut and it smelled
Yeah.
a little moldy.
Yeah.
Remember? It smelled like
You couldn't, it didn't
Wet.
smell moldy, it smelled
wet.
cookie.
Okay, yeah.
Like you,
But
because
then
they had a
it was
kitchen in
all
there.
Wet when we were there.
Yeah.
So and every time you open them, then that was like.
And you couldn't open the window even an inch to like air it out when you cooked. So it was kind of, it was just not ventilated well. But we loved staying there. Woo! He's doing a lot of work. You know what? It's raining and he can't really do anything else.
I
So
can go right now if you want me.
you hush your mouth.
I got stuff to do.
You hush your mouth. He's working hard in here.
You hush your mouth.
Yeah, you hush your mouth.
Your mouth.
You hush your mouth.
Both of you
You
hush.
hush your mouth.
You children are so rude.
Hush your mouth. Daddy. Hush your mouth.
Oh, you made that one fall.
Hey,
Hush your mouth. Over here now.
you sure about that?
Hush your mouth, Daddy. Hush your mouth, Daddy.
Yeah, you don't want to throw it again.
Hush your mouth, Daddy.
You might
You
lose
have to be
it.
careful not to fall.
Yeah, don't
Hush
fall.
your mouth.
That's a
Hush
window.
your mouth. Hush your mouth right
So
now.
I think we're gonna leave those, at least for now. And we're leaving that, which I hate. I hate that.
Hush your mouth.
But I think it'll work out in the end. I think it'll work out.
Hush your mouth.
All right, so we have leftovers from yesterday, plus I cooked some seasoned rice. My mom gave me this. It's like a packet of rice that has seasonings in it. Yeah, seasoned rice. Eat with your mouth shut. Boo-hoo. And we got pork chops and sweet potatoes.
Tastes good.
Not really what you think it
Love
is.
it.
Maybe papaya.
Nope, sweet potatoes.
Papaya?
Sweet potatoes.
I want soup potatoes. See?
There you go.
It's not soup potatoes.
It's not sweet potatoes.
Because it's papaya. It's papaya.
Yeah.
Are you really doing this now?
Yeah, all for 1 minute.
Selling it?
Yeah.
Sell it, slowly.
Da 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 da.
Mommy,
Da,
can I dump
da,
the
da,
salad
da,
out?
da. Yeah, you're gonna go dump it. Wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy.
So we're back to day 1 with lighting, huh? No light.
Yeah, no light in here.
Yeah. Oh, think that's gonna look good?
I hope I didn't make the same mistake the first owner made.
Pretty sure you did.
It dries darker.
That's why I said I don't want to deal with this. Do you need 2 coats?
I shouldn't, but I probably will. It's Kills.
It does look better in here with that.
Love it.
Anyhow, it's very late. The second part of the day we worked on a car. This is what I'm working on now. Wow, that looks good. It smells really good too.
Yummy.
Do you think it's yummy?
It's done.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Come here, Abigail. Abigail. Alright, so this side looks amazing. This is exactly what Andrea and the kids love. Yes, it's all burnt. I'm probably not going to eat it, but they love it. And that side, yeah.
Hi, Dad. Let's do it.
Everybody wants mustard.
Hey, yummy, yummy. Mouse baby and I ate mozzarella.
So did Abigail. Hey Abigail, what's yummy?
Yummy.
What is it? What's yummy?
It's yummy.
What is it?
And cheese.
Hamburger
You want onion?
and
And hot dogs.
burnt like mommy loves it.
I don't like burnt
Yes, you do.
hot dogs.
Of course she does.
Pickle.
Is this yours, Rafael?
Yeah, I think so.
You really don't need to wait. You're gonna have the other side bare? You always told me to put stuff on both sides.
What about pickle?
Working face.
What about the pickles?
Thank you, mummies.
Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, that's a nice dinner.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Is this a topping? It needs to be a topping.
You can put it in there if you'd like.
Thank you.
There we go.
There you go.
Cheap's on you.
What do you want on
But
yours?
have on, kids.
The double.
All the goodness. Here you go.
Want all the things?
I go crazy over these pickles.
Thanks for making our hamburger, mommy.
Thank you for the hamburger.
The actual bun.
Welcome. And Daddy made your hamburger to begin with, so thank him.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Alright, let's eat.
Guys, today we built a castle.
No. You built the castle.
Yep.
It's all you.
And can you see through here? Can you see through it? Look at how it looks like this. It's really big. It's only 2 feet tall. This one is bigger than that one over there. Which one is bigger? That one. It's the one that's the biggest. It has the most cubes. And this. Which one is the best? Which one is the biggest? And best, biggest. And how will you like it on the back? The back of the tower looks like this. The side of the tower of this tower looks like this. Looks really nice. And this side of this tower looks really nice. I'll show you the instructions. This is how it's going to look like, and that's what it's looking like. It looks the same. This, warning, danger. This, telling you all the pieces that you have. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, Step 6. Oh. Step 7. No. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, Step 6, Step 7, Step 8, Step 9. What does it kind of look like in Step 9? Step 10, Step 11, Step 12, Step 12, Step 13, Step 14, Step 15, Step 16. That's a lot of steps. 16. Let's move this thing in. I'm showing them the instructions. I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end, guys. Step 17, Step 18, Step 19, Step 20, Step 21, Step 22. It looks a lot the same. Step 23, Step 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Step 32 is when you're done. Best, biggest.
Little hot?
Waiting.
Look at what Florida did to us.
I love goodies. Grandma? That's Rafael's drawing.